Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Let me greet you in the name of love and in the name of all my persevering wives. This is Juliet Mokorosi for those of you that do not know me. Thank you so much for the new subscribers that have just recently joined my channel. Loves, I hope you're going to stay and I hope you're going to enjoy it here. So it's in the morning, I'm having my porridge. I just wanted to open up this vlog and welcome you, my darlings. And the first thing we're going to do, we're preparing to go to Zeerust because we normally spend our Christmas at Zeerust. So I've got our groceries on the floor which I have not packed, that I still need to pack. We've got my cousin that is coming over to stay. Again, I'm going to remind you, subscription is for free. If you have not subscribed, please do so for me. It does contribute a lot onto this channel. So let's get to this day, guys, and I will update you as the day goes by. So guys, I'm in my bathroom. Like I said, I just want to quickly relax my hair and then I'll see what I'll do with it. The plan is to actually go plait my hair, but we'll see. So I have this old t-shirt on that I'm going to use to go into the shower and wash my hair. And then I'm obviously going to take a shower using that. And for my hair, I'm not going to do much, guys. The process of how I maintain my hair and how I relax my own hair, that video will come probably in Jan sometime, and I'll show you exactly the steps I follow to maintain my hair, protect my hair, as well as relaxing my hair and making sure that I keep it as silky as I want it to be. I think the reason I'm relaxing my own hair, it's because I don't have time to go to the salon at the moment in queue. I'd rather go queue at the hairdresser that will be plaiting my hair and not relaxing my hair. I always forget to take off my ring. Let me also take off my ring, and then let's start. Let us start. You guys, and then I'm gonna go in the shower and wash my hair. So yeah, guys, I need to go dry my hair at the salon. My dryer just broke. Oh Jehovah.
What happened to your dry hair?
Because that's what I do. I cook with love.
What happened to your dry hair?
Let's eat quickly and then I'll take you with you guys.
No one. They were still wet, those carpets.
Oh.
Hey, Jess.
Guys, let's go. I'm gonna repeat this. I've recorded the other part, but I'm gonna repeat it because I have I did not entirely switch off my, what do you call this? I did not entirely switch off my radio, and I don't want to get a copyright claim from YouTube. So I'm doing this again. Guys, like I told you, the reason for me now going out was for us to go to the salon, and also it was and also it was for me to get a couple of things because we're going to Zeerust. But most importantly, the plan for today was for me to go to the salon to go do my nails and not my hair, because I had already planned to do my hair. camera ngifakele amehlo abantu bacanga ukuthi maybe ngirecorda bona. Anyways, so yeah guys, come with me. Let's go to the first salon that I do my hair at when I want to relax my hair and I don't want to like blow baby tongue get tint, because when I do my hair at home I'm able to give it the volume that I want. So I think it's touch relax, they call it touch relax, so I can do myself the touch relax, and at the salon it's very expensive. But then when I go there like and I want that fine relax, so that pondo, then I definitely use them. So asambeni my dolls, I need it. So let's go in, you guys. I'll close my windows. And the back one just open just a little bit. Asambeni bakani.
I'm looking up from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow, I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet, we can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room, we'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food, I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
You guys, I am done with my hair, so let's go home. It is so hot, just need to withdraw cash so I can go do my eyelashes. A lady here, let me just open my windows, at the salon has given me a plug, you guys, of way to do my eyelashes for 100 rand. For 100 rand, how can I not go? How can I not go, you guys? Guys, at least so I got here, they washed and they put a little bit of conditioner, because this is crimpy. None food. They put a little bit of conditioner. And they just treated it a little for me for 50 rand. Guys, 50 rand. So today in general for my eyelashes and hair, 150. Tell me I am not saving. Just tell me, argue with me and tell me that I'm not saving when I'm literally getting dolled up for close to nothing. Unfortunately, I can't do my hair. I would love to have plaited my hair. I would have loved to have the opportunity to plait my hair, but unfortunately.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you listen to lattice in the land? Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own.
Hi, you guys, I hope you can see me. I'm done. Let me switch off my car. I'm done doing my nails, guys. Here's my Christmas nails. Here's my Christmas nails. Here's my Christmas nails. Here's my Christmas nails. I told you that I'll be late with all these things because I wanted to do all the important things for the kids. I'm still at Florida Junction at the moment. I bought efficient chips because I'm super hungry. I am late. And my camera is doing some funny stuff. I don't know what's this thing now showing on the screen, honestly. I'm done with my nails, you guys. I'm going to head straight on home and start packing. We're late. We're late. Zeerust is like 4-hour drive. So I haven't even packed. I haven't even wrapped the presents. I haven't even bought the, what do you call this? I haven't even bought the, I actually need to go in Spar and buy, but probably will buy it as Zeerust because we want to go past and check out the new mall. So I'm thinking when we wake up in the morning, then we go past the mall to go get stuff for the dessert. I only ate lunch, guys, and it wasn't enough. I'm so hungry now as though I didn't eat. I'm about to take off, so I just wanted to let you know that I'm eating. I'm done with my nails. I'll speak to you guys later. I love you. Asambeni sekhaya, guys. Later. Music one. For Titi, this is the bag I bought for him. It's big enough. It's a sports bag. It could accommodate his jeans, his jackets, as well as his clothes that he's going to change with. So I need socks. I must remember to pack socks as well. So I'm just gonna match each item with the pants, so I know I've got one of each. So I know I am sweating, guys. Okay, this is the first attire. This would be the second one, second attire, and then we will have the third one. This would be his washcloth, these vaslap, tinasibizi vaslap, face cloth, whatever you call it. The second attire, because we're going for 4 days, and then the third attire, and just one additional attire in case we have an incident. So I'll pack one more or 2 more attires, and then that would be it. I think I want to take these 2 t-shirts actually. Yeah, I'll take this back, and then let me just go. And his towel. I'm not gonna pack his toiletry bag because he already has that. The last time he went to visit grandma and grandpa, let me put this light on. I'm scared, you guys. Just have to put it on. So the last time he went to go visit grandma and grandpa, he left his toiletry bag. But for safety, I will just bring his face cloth, his bath towel, his face cloth and his bath towel, and pack his shoes. These obviously the clap or he plays with those, and then his Christmas attire that he's going to wear, and then we move on to packing for Hasbi. So this camera is a bit flat, you guys. I hope you're good. I don't know if you can see the sweat. Okay, let me just go to the bathroom. I'll fix myself up. The sweat on my face, can you see that, you guys? What do you think about my eyelashes? Do you like them? I like them, guys. It's been a year since I have not had eyelashes on, and I'm feeling myself, honestly. Like, that woman in me is slowly coming out, and I love it. I hope I can maintain this because I love myself more when I look pretty. Like, it's true. I think I've forgotten that, and I forgot to actually put myself first. But I'm gonna be slowly getting there. I will grow with this channel. Please excuse me, you guys, if this camera switches off. Just excuse me because I've put it on the charger, like it's in the charger right now, but it's not charging, and I don't know why. I thought I could record and charge it at the very same time. It does switch off, then I'm going to continue with packing because I don't want to be late. I've already pissed my husband off by coming late at home because the saloon was packed and he really wanted us to go today at around about 5, but unfortunately it is what it is. So, oh god, I'm sweating. So what I'm gonna do, mustn't go in my eye, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue packing, and I'm gonna wrap Christmas presents. So while the phone is charging, actually I think it's best that I let this phone charge. Guys, can you see me sweat? Oh yeah, she's so I'm gonna continue packing, and I'm gonna leave this camera in the charger so it can continue charging. And yeah, because what I wanted to say was actually I want to wrap my gifts with you, the gifts that we bought. So I want to also update you and show you those gifts and wrap them up. My son and my daughter are outside in their rooms and they're busy also packing. I'm packing for the fam in here, which is Titi and Daddy. So you guys, I love you a lot, and I'm so glad if you've watched I'm so glad that you've watched till this far. If you have watched till this far, please drop a heart down below on the comment section, and or let me know what you think with this vlog. I think I am getting more confident in front of the camera. Normally I didn't want to speak a lot with people because I was scared of the comments, the brutal comments that people make, but eventually we can't just relax and sit back and just let the camera roll without actually me interacting with you guys, because this is how I build a relationship with you. So we'll see. If the brutal comments come, I mean, you can't make anyone happy, but you can also you can't make anyone happy, but what you can do is overcome the obstacles that you come across. So that's my motto for now. Let me finish packing, you guys. Actually, my hair is also in the way, so let me just rather use this, you know, to get it out of the way for now. And then, yeah, I think it's best like this, just to get it out of my face so I can continue packing. Plus, I'm sweating, so I don't want my face to catch my sweat when it's freshly made. So yeah, I love you guys. It's been 7 minutes of me mumbling and rumbling, so I will check you out. I'll check up on you later. Mwah.
Mommy, there is a
Guys, I
lot
got
of
2 jeans as well for Tsitsi. We're gonna be wearing blue jeans for the photo shoot, so I need those.
Mommy. There's chocolate take the noodles.
Oh, shame, Wanaka. Come, let me give you the noodles.
Forget cover. Forget cover. I forget cover. Forget cover.
Azange nakhathala kanje ngikhathele yazi ngikhathele yo, but at least ngibhakile for sitting, ngibhakile for my husband, and now I'm packing for myself. What is this? I'm cooking lamb. So I've got lamb ribs in the oven, and I've got lamb stew on the stove. So we're gonna have a little bit of stew and ribs with rice. So that is of 4. Say hungry. Rakiba. Look at this kiba. And everything that you are looking at, that I'm showing you guys, you all must know that. For the pinifats, it's either Chinese shops or makula that actually mostly sell these things. And when I'm cooking, because it's very hot as a Zeerust. So this finally pinifali. Even before I had this before I got married. I didn't even know God was going to bless me with marriage. So, you know, some things are interpreted in a different way. So I'll put this and a t-shirt on. I must just find a t-shirt for it. I'll put it aside. And of course, I'm gonna carry something warm in case it gets cold. And then I have this, you guys. I will iron when I get the it's giving what I wanted to give, but I'll check when I edit the video. And then I've got this dress. This I bought during my brother's lobola negotiation. I bought it for and it didn't fit her. And when I took it back to the Chinese stores, obviously they did not have a size smaller than this, and they did not want to give me my money back. Therefore, I had to keep this one. And then that skirt goes together with this over here, the pinifala corner, and I also keep the dook in here because I don't want it to get lost. So yeah, so yep, you guys. All right. Zihlobo nangu ubuye. Ha, ufikile Zihlobo. Cousin yami ifikile.
Yes, I'm here. Thank you.
Sure.
Chili.
Andikatelanga dali. Okay guys, as we're planning it, siya repa nibonin lang ke repa. Cause isikhathi sami
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
Lisa, you angeke ufike la.
My way